How to apply for student finance in Ghana, step-by-step guide. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in Ghana. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the official website of the Ghana Scholarship Secretariat, which manages student finance for tertiary education. The website can be found at www.scholarshipgh.com. Step 2. Register for an account. Click on the Apply button on the homepage. Create an account by providing your email address and a strong password. After registering, you will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and confirm your email. Step 3. Log in to your account. Use your newly created login details to access your account. Navigate to the application section on the dashboard. Step 4. Complete your profile. Fill in your personal details such as name, date of birth, national identification number, Ghana card, and contact information. Make sure all details are accurate, as they will be used throughout the application process. Step 5. Provide academic information. Enter your academic details, such as your school, level of study, and program. Attach your academic transcripts or admission letter as proof of enrollment. Step 6. Upload required documents. Prepare scanned copies of the following: admission letter from your institution, academic transcripts or certificates, a valid national identification card, Ghana card or passport, birth certificate, proof of income of your parents or guardians if applicable. Upload all documents in PDF format to the platform. And before we proceed, in order for you to successfully upload the required documents, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 7. Choose a scholarship category. Select the appropriate scholarship or student loan you are applying for. Available options usually include local tertiary scholarships, foreign tertiary scholarships, special assistance for needy but brilliant students. Step 8. Complete the financial details section. Here, you'll be asked to provide a breakdown of the cost of your education, tuition, accommodation, etc. Any additional financial assistance you receive, if any. Step 9. Submit the application. Review all the information and ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied with the details, click Submit. Step 10. Wait for approval. After submission, your application will be reviewed. You will receive updates via email or on the dashboard regarding the status of your application. Step 11. Interview and further screening if required. Some applications may require an in-person interview or further screening. You will be notified if this is necessary. Step 12. Receive funding. On approval, you will be notified of the funding you will receive. Funds are usually dispersed directly to your institution. And that's it! You've just unlocked the magic of student finance in Ghana. Remember, the journey to success starts with a single step. Today, you have taken a powerful one toward achieving your dreams. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Let us spread this knowledge far and wide so no one misses out on the opportunities waiting for them. Quote of the day: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. So keep pushing, keep striving, and never stop believing in the magic within you. Stay blessed, stay motivated, and I will see you in the next video. Your future is bright and the world is waiting for you. Don't forget, your dreams are valid, and with the right tools, they are closer than you think.